Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the booth of Honda. We will now take the next step towards our electric vision with the world premiere of Honda E, an electric vehicle developed for the urban environment with outstanding dynamic performance, with new levels of connectivity, delivering smart, personalized features and services to the drivers.
The Honda E. You know, Honda is a company that has always focused on pushing the boundaries. And as we enter the EV market for the first time, we were determined to develop a vehicle that excited and inspired our customers. The Honda E is just that, a distinctive, simple, yet striking exterior design, accentuated by the side camera mirror system that replaces conventional mirrors, providing live images to two screens inside the vehicle, a first in the compact segment. The powerful electric motor will drive the rear wheels for a sporty and connected feel. Drivers will benefit from outstanding maneuverability in city conditions. This car really will put a smile on your face. The battery is one of the most compact in its class, yet delivers a range of up to 220 kilometers from a single charge, with a fast charge capability providing recharge to 80% in 30 minutes. The Honda E offers the perfect balance of efficiency and performance for urban commuting. Central to the connected environment of the Honda E is the Honda Personal Assistant, which uses voice commands to control apps and online services. Honda's electric vision extends further than our automobile activities. Today, we are pleased to be able to share news of further developments as we aim to provide comprehensive vehicle charging solutions and energy management services. One of the issues for EV drivers in city environments is a lack of convenient charging infrastructure. To ease this concern, Honda, in partnership with Ubitricity, will offer a solution that allows the installation of smart charge points within lampposts. Finally, we can confirm that in 2020, and aligned with the launch of the Honda E, we will bring to market our first commercial energy services, providing customers with access to competitive energy tariffs. The Honda E, an electric vehicle for the urban environment, offering dynamic performance and the most advanced connected features in the compact EV sector.